What's up, fellas? So in this video I'm going to be reviewing this software right here called BitBrowser. Okay, so if you don't know what it is, it's actually an anti-detect browser that you can use to manage multiple accounts and prevent yourself from getting blocked if you want to create multiple accounts in one website. Okay, so basically that's how this works. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know, exactly how to set up your Proxy profile, exactly how to install this and start using this browser for yourself. Okay, so if that sounds like what you want to see, go ahead and smash the thumbs up button and let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is to click on the second link down in the description, and once you click on the second link, you're going to be redirected to this page. Okay, so basically, as you can see right here, this is a little info on what the browser can do. Okay, it has canvas, different type of things right here that you can modify and set inside of the browser. Okay, and that's what I'm going to be showing you inside of this video. Okay, so basically I'm not going to waste time showing you random stuff. I'm just going to hop in and show you exactly how to use this browser. Okay, so once you are on this page, the first thing you want to do is to click on the download on the top. Okay, so once you click on download, you're going to be redirected to this page. Okay, so once you are here, go ahead and download this. Okay, they have the Windows version for 64-bit and 32-bit. Okay, so if you have a low-end PC and you're getting a lot of errors when you try to use some anti-detect browser out there because they are made for high-end computers, I suggest you go with this browser. Okay, because it's going to work on your computer even though your computer is a weak computer. So they also have it for Mac OS and Apple Silicon. Okay, so basically it's very easy to download it. Go ahead and click on download, and once you click on download, it's going to start downloading straight to your computer. Okay, so you can click on here, and as you can see right here, the browser is downloading inside of my computer. Okay, so basically I don't want this to download, okay, because I already have it on my computer. I'm just going to go ahead and cancel this out, and as you can see, it's cancelled. So basically once you download this inside of your computer, the next thing you want to do is to create your account. Okay, because if you don't have an account inside of this site, you're not going to be able to use the browser. So I'm going to show you exactly how to sign in inside of this account and set everything up. So it's very simple. Go ahead and click on sign in, and once you click on sign in, you're going to be redirected straight to the register page. Okay, if you want to register, all you have to do is to provide your username. You can be like focus 300. Okay, and they're gonna ask you to provide a password. Okay, go ahead and suggest a password, or you can use a password that you can remember. Okay, so basically I'm just gonna go ahead and suggest one right here, but I suggest you use your own password that you can remember. Okay, if you're using this option, I suggest you paste password somewhere that you can very easily access it, because you're gonna be needing it to log in inside of the software that is on your computer. Okay, so basically this is your email section. You can fill that in. Okay, and once you fill that in, go ahead and click on send code, and the code will be sent to your email right here. Okay, once this code is sent to your email, copy and paste that in here, and right here they're going to ask you for your invitation code. Okay, by the way, if you click on the second link down in the description, that's my referral link. Actually, if you click on that, my invitation code is going to be here. But if you don't want to do that, you can head straight to the website. Okay, it's BitBrowser.net. Okay, and once you head over to BitBrowser.net, you're going to be redirected straight to this website. Okay, so basically once you are done with this, they're going to ask you for your settlement currency. Okay, you can change this or you can leave it on USD. Okay, after that, check this if you agree to the terms and policies and click on register. Okay, and also you can register with your phone number. Okay, but from my experience, if you want to register from your phone number, it's going to delay your verification code, so I suggest to register via your email address. Okay, so once you are done registering, it's very simple. I think everyone knows how to register, but I want to explain this so you don't get stuck anywhere when you're trying to use this software. Okay, so once you're done registering your account inside of this website, what you want to do is to head over to your downloads and install the program you just downloaded. Okay, remember the program we downloaded right here. You want to head over to your downloads and install the program. So I'm just going to head over to my download right here. Okay, basically this is my downloads. I can right click and extract this file right here. Okay, so it's showing me this because I already have this on my computer. If I go ahead and click on yes, it's gonna like replace the one I already have. Okay, so basically it's not going to show you that. Okay, you're just gonna extract the file and you can very easily install the file. Okay, it's around here or somewhere. Okay, so basically this is the file. Okay, you can right click, run it as an administrator, or you can just open it, and once you open it, what's gonna happen is it's gonna show you some protocols that you going to have to follow. Click on next, and basically it's very simple to install programs. I think everyone that has a computer knows how to install programs. Okay, go ahead and install this inside of your computer, and once you install this, the icon is going to look something like this. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to go ahead and launch this browser. Okay, so I can right click on open, and once I click on open, what's going to happen is it's going to launch the browser for me. Okay, so it says BitBrowser starting. Okay, let's give it a couple of seconds. Okay, so basically this is your dashboard. This is where you see all the reports about your account. Okay, it's going to show you all the information so you can very easily understand how much subscription you have left and all those kind of things. Okay, so basically if you want to create your browser profile, it's very simple to do that. All you have to do is to click on browser profile, and once you click on browser profile, what's going to happen is you're going to be redirected straight to this page. Okay, so once you are on this page, all you have to do is to click on add, and once you click on add, this page is going to pop up. Okay, so you can create your browser profile here. Let's say this browser profile, want to use it for Facebook ads, you can be like FB ads. Okay, so right here is going to ask us to choose a group. Okay, so you can click on this drop down arrow if you already have a group you've created right here, or you can just leave it blank. It doesn't really matter. Okay, so right here is going to ask us for the platform, so it's going to understand what you want to use this browser profile for, so it's going to optimize it for that specific use. Okay, so let's say I want to use it for my Google account. In there I can very easily click on the accounts.google.com option, and it's going to put that in here. Okay, so it's going to ask me duplicate validation. Okay, you can verify this or you can very easily uncheck this. Okay, so right here is your username and password. Okay, so this is if you want to actually log in this your Google account inside of the browser profile. Okay, so you might want to add this if you want to automatically log in your Google account into your browser profile. Okay, so after that you're going to have to input your remarks. Okay, if you want you can put that. So next is your cookies. Okay, you can paste your cookies in here, and after that you might want to add your proxies. Okay, if you want to add proxies. Okay, and I'm going to show you exactly how to modify proxies inside of this browser. Okay, so you can understand everything there is to know about this browser. Okay, so this is your proxy. You can set any type of proxy you want. Okay, so you can see these are the proxies that they have HTTP, HTTPS, socket 5, and SSH proxy. Okay, and it goes on and on and on. Okay, you can select any of those proxies you want. Okay, so basically I don't really have any proxies right here. Okay, so I'm just going to leave it at direct connection mode, no proxy. Okay, after that I'm going to scroll down right here. By the way, if you don't understand anything inside of this browser, you can just create your browser profile, create your fingerprint, and very easily input your proxy and leave the complicated stuff out. Okay, it doesn't really matter. Okay, so basically these are some settings. Okay, I think this whole settings right here is self-explanatory. Okay, so if you go ahead and read what they have here, you can very easily understand what all these buttons do. Okay, for example, this one says when enabled, this browser will not load images, improving browsing speed and saving traffic. Okay, just like that I understood what this button does. Okay, it's very simple to navigate through these buttons. Okay, so I don't care about all this. I think my computer is pretty strong to load anything. I'm just going to go ahead and skip this part. Okay, and I'm going to scroll down. Okay, basically these are the devices they have. Okay, this is where you modify your fingerprint. If we want an actual computer, we can leave this on a PC, or we can leave this fingerprint on an Android fingerprint. Okay, so we can select any version of Android we want it to seem like we are browsing from. Okay, after that we have another fingerprint that we can go with right here. Okay, there's a bunch of different fingerprints. Okay, let's say I want to use a computer, I can put it on computer, and right here I can choose the different computer they have Windows, Linux, and Mac, but I'm just going to go ahead and leave this on Windows, and they're going to ask for Windows version that I want to use. So why I really like these guys is that they allow you to modify your browser to the point that you can basically make it to do whatever you want. Okay, you don't get this with other average browsers. Okay, so this is very powerful stuff right here. Okay, so basically this is the OS version. You can change that to Windows 11, 10, 8, or 7. So I'm just going to go ahead and leave it on Windows 10, and right here it's going to ask me for the browser version, so I'm just going to go with the latest version. Okay, I'm going to click on that. Now this is my user agent. Okay, I can very easily change this stuff. Okay, so next, this is our display language. You can edit that and a bunch of stuff. Okay, these are time zone. It says generate the corresponding time zone based on IP, on check to customize. So if we don't want to use this time zone, so it's going to seem like we are browsing from another different location, we can uncheck this and actually customize the time zone. Okay, they have a bunch of different time zones right here. Okay, so I'm just going to check this back because I'm not really doing any underground stuff right here. If I'm actually doing anything underground, I might want to change my time zone. awesome. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down right here. This is the geolocation. Okay, we can block it and allow a bunch of stuff. Okay, you can scroll down. These are the fonts they have, and as you can see, these are things that you can edit. Okay, so basically this is our device name. Okay, now if you're actually browsing, okay, if you're the type of person that writes code and do a bunch of underground stuff that people might try to locate your computer, okay, you can change your device name. So it's going to be very difficult for people to like track, to know the kind of device you are using. You can change it to ... Okay, come over here, change this to 0000. This is going to be really confusing for a person that's trying to track your device down. Okay, so it doesn't really matter. You can leave it at default or you can change that. Okay, so after that, this is a bunch of stuff you can enable: SSL plugins, bot scan protection, and all that stuff. Okay, you can scroll down and edit it if you want. Okay, so basically this is the device memory and hardware. Okay, you can change the core CPU and the memory. Okay, so this is basically basic stuff right here. Let's say we want to make our computer to seem like 8-core CPU, you can change that, and we can also change the memory right here, memory gig RAM. Okay, so let's say we want to make it seem like we're using an 8 gig RAM computer, we can change that right here. Okay, remember I told you guys I'm going to show you how to set up your proxy. I'm going to actually illustrate this for you guys, so if you want to do this for yourself, it's going to be very simple. Okay, so now I'm going to scroll all the way up and show you exactly how to set this proxy thing up. So if you want to put in your proxy in here, they actually have different type of proxy, and this is going to show on the website that you're trying to copy the proxy information from. Okay, so let's say you want to use a HTTP proxy, we can put it on HTTP, and after that they're going to ask us for our host. You want to go ahead and input the information right here. Okay, so basically this is where you're going to input your host. Okay, and this is where you're going to have to input your ports and your username, your password, and once you input all of this, you're going to have to click on check proxy at the top right here to see if your proxy server is working. Okay, it's really important to check this right here to see if your proxy server is working. Okay, so once you are done with this, your browser profile is pretty much ready to go. Okay, so if I scroll down right here, you see that we have everything set up. Okay, so if I want to actually randomize the fingerprint, I can click on random fingerprint right here, and it's going to generate a new fingerprint for me, but it might change some settings. Okay, because it's a new fingerprint. Okay, if I go ahead and click on randomize fingerprint, it's going to change some settings. Okay, as you can see right here, and I have a 4-core CPU and a 4 gig RAM computer. Okay, so now we have all of this ready. What we can do is to click on confirm, and it's going to actually load everything up. Okay, if you need any proxy, you can head over to spy.one or you can head over to proxies.io. okay, so this one is actually a paid version, but it's super fast, and this one is a free version and sometimes is actually slow, so it's up to you to choose anyone you want to use. Okay, so basically that's how exactly you can set up your browser profile. Okay, so this is your RPA, this is your groups. Remember I told you if you wanted to create a group, let's say you want to add a brand new group. Okay, so you can click on add, and the group name can be FB ads. Okay, make sure you don't have any spaces in here. If you put in spaces, it's not going to work. Okay, so after that, you can click on confirm, and what's going to happen is we now have a group that we can session our Facebook ads profile to. Okay, so we can create multiple groups right here. You can create another one if you want to. Okay, so once you have this, let's say you want to arrange everything into one group, you can click on browser profile right here, and you can very easily click on this pencil icon right here and set the group to the FB ads group. Okay, so you know that this profile is dedicated to FB ads. Okay, and why I really like this, you can very easily change the name in one click. You don't have to click multiple times to set anything up. Okay, after that you can click on proxy IP. Okay, so basically this is your proxy right here. I think everyone knows how to set up a proxy. Okay, once you are on this page, if this whole thing is confusing, ignore it and click on proxy management on the top. Okay, and once you click on that, you can click on add proxy, and once you click on add proxy, you can very easily add any proxy you want. Okay, click on check proxy to see if the proxy is working, and just like that, you're going to have a proxy inside of your BitBrowser account. Okay, so this is your extension right here. Okay, you can turn on all this extension if you want to. So after that, these are your users. Okay, let's say you actually have a company and you want your account to be managed by other people. You might want to add a bunch of other users. Okay, so after that, this is your referral. Okay, if you want to make money with these guys, okay, these guys are actually going to pay you for inviting people to their site. website. Okay, this is your affiliate link right here. Okay, you can very easily click on copy and you can send people to this affiliate link, and when they sign up you're going to get paid. Okay, so after that you have your cost center. Okay, so if you want to recharge your account, you can click on recharge, and once you click on recharge, you can recharge with all these payments method right here. Okay, they accept PayPal, USDT, Bitcoin, ERC20 network and TRC20 network. Okay, they accept all this. Okay, also they accept Ethereum, Visa, Mastercard, and a bunch of other random payments method. Okay, so you can very easily click on recharge. Okay, input the amount you want to recharge. Let's say minimum is actually $2, let's say $5, and choose, let's say you want to recharge via PayPal. You can choose your PayPal account, click on confirm, click on next, and what's going to happen is it's going to redirect you straight to where you can make payments to your account. Okay, so it's actually redirecting me straight to PayPal, but I'm just going to go ahead and cancel this out. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and cancel this out. Okay, so basically that's pretty much it. You can very easily subscribe your account right here. Okay, the next tab is your settings. You can set anything you want. So if you run into any problems while using this browser, okay, all you have to do is to click on help, and once you click on help, it's going to redirect you straight to this page. Okay, so once you are on this page, click on contact us, and once you click on contact us, what's going to happen is you're going to be able to contact them. You can click on this little chat box right here. From here, what you can do is to click on any of this customer service. Okay, you can click on this person, and once you click on this person, you're going to see their Telegram right here. Okay, if you want to chat them via Telegram, you can click to chat, and if you want to chat them via WhatsApp, you can also click to chat. Okay, and once you click on that, what's going to happen is you're going to be redirected to either Telegram or WhatsApp to chat these guys and tell them what's wrong with your BitBrowser account, and they're going to actually fix it immediately. Okay, so basically that's pretty much it for the whole browser. Okay, I think I've showed you guys everything there is to know. Okay, so I'm going to wrap this video up here. If this is your first time coming across my video, go ahead and sub to the channel. Okay, I'm all about making money online. I actually show you how to trade. Okay, I talk about CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, all that good stuff. Okay, so if that sounds like what you want to see in future, go ahead and sub to the channel. And with all that being said, I'm going to talk to every single one of you guys in the next video. Peace.